Hi guys, welcome back to I always say that, babe. Why do I say that? My new YouTube channel. It's not new. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're returning, if you're new, I'm Delaney, and in today's video, I'm going to be doing a hair tutorial for a hairstyle that I wear quite often on Instagram. I'll show you guys some pictures here, and it's very highly requested. It's also really easy to do and super cute, so I'm excited to finally share a tutorial of it, and I am going to show you guys the products that I'm using and then all the steps, and it'll be super fun and easy. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, be sure to do so you can catch all of my upcoming videos and turn on the little bell notification so you know every time I post. All right, so for this hairstyle, I'm going to be using this Eva NYC blow dryer. I actually just did this collaboration with Miami-based artist Deanna of Koval. I think that's how you pronounce it, I'm not sure. But they just did this branding with this new packaging, and this is an aluminum tin that the blow dryer came in, and you can reuse it for anything you want. So it's sustainable, it's environmentally friendly, it's also beautiful and super cool. So I love that they're doing that. That is one of the reasons why I love partnering with Eva NYC. They are such a good company. Their products are amazing. I've been using them literally since college, and I've always loved them. And it's so exciting to see the new things they come out with. So I'll be using this blow dryer from that tin, and then I'll also be using this straightener, a similar aluminum reusable tin, and like I said, you can use these for whatever you want. This one would actually be really cool for like art supplies or makeup or something. I don't know, you can use it for anything, which is so cool. So those are the things that I will be using as far as tools go. I got my brush, and I just showered and let my hair air dry a bit. I'm gonna brush it out and start blow drying it. I am done with the blow drying part, so now I'm gonna move on to straightening and flipping out. So I put my straightener on the highest setting, but you can do whatever suits your hair best. For this part, I just grabbed an elastic, and then I have 2 bobby pins. Shouldn't need more than that, and then like a teasing comb. It is very full of hair. It's gross but real. So that's what we're gonna do, and straightener. And basically what I do for this part is I don't necessarily do like every single layer perfectly, just because I have a lot of hair and it takes a lot of time, and since it's shorter, doing like layer by layer is really tedious and hard. So I kind of just run my straightener through all of my hair and look for parts that need it more than others. Since I did use this nozzle while I was blow drying, it helped smooth out my hair and straighten it anyways. So I'm just gonna kind of run this through my hair and get everything even more smoothed out, and then once I put it up in the half up hairstyle, I'll do some more detail work on pieces that needed it and start flipping it out. Okay, now that I've ran the straightener through a bit, I'm gonna start the updo. So I do a couple of variations with this hairstyle. Sometimes I do a hard part to one side and leave the bangs out and then pull up the half. Sometimes I do it all pulled up in a half, and sometimes I do split middle bangs at the front and leave them out. So today I'm gonna do that one. And I'm just gonna section off my hair to about this point, so right about in line with my eyebrow. And I don't do anything too perfect, just kind of like see wherever you want to pull it up from and just do that. It doesn't have to be like a hard part or anything. So then I'm gonna take this teasing comb and start smoothing it out. And then I'm gonna get the ponytail pretty high That way it will have more like bouncy full volume. All right, and then I'm gonna take the elastic and just secure it. That's kind of what it looks like without the styling. So now I'm going to take the straightener, and for the bangs, I like to curl them in usually, just because that frames the face a little bit better. For the bottom half, I'm gonna go ahead and go through and get everything straight and smooth, and then I'm going to flip the bottoms under. So as you can see, this side is done as far as like flipping under goes. This side is not, so it makes my hair a lot shorter. I'll also run the straightener through this and sort of calm it down and also brush it out a bit so it won't be as intense when we're all done. But I like to do like a pretty intense under curl just so it stays all day and it's a little more dramatic, and I just think it's really cute. So I am going to do the other side now, and then I'll do the top ponytail. All right, so for the top ponytail, I like to take a bit of hair and wrap it around the base to disguise the elastic, and I also think it just makes the look a little more polished. So sometimes this doesn't stay so well. We'll hope for the best today. But I'll just use 2 bobby pins to pin the hair, like so. And then for the top ponytail, I actually usually like to curl it under instead of out. Or in instead of out, I should say. It's kind of like that, and it creates like a complementary shape to each other. I feel like to have one flipped out and one flipped under. It's also cute to make them both go the same way, but it's just a different look, and I usually go for this style, so I'm gonna show you guys that. All right, so that is pretty much it for the tutorial. I usually end up tucking my bangs behind my ears throughout the day just out of habit, and I also think it looks cute. It's kind of more a sleek version of this hairstyle. You can kind of play with this ponytail too, so I kind of like the way it looks all the way back, but still like a little bit of volume. So kind of like that. You could also add a little extra volume to the ponytail by just back combing it a little bit, brushing out the craziness. That's pretty much it. It's super easy. So I hope you guys liked this tutorial, and if you want to see more hair tutorials, makeup tutorials, whatever on my channel, definitely let me know in the comments below, because I love hearing from you guys and it is so helpful for me. So let me know and I will add them to the list, and thank you for watching.